So this is my restoration of bumpers, plastic, sides, everything for a Trafic this is, but you can do it on a Vivaro or Primastar or any other car, van really. So as you can see, the grey plastic's starting to go a light grey, blotchy. So it was time to have a look at this because it was looking a bit messy. The van's about 13 years old, so it was needing some care. Previous back to black kind of coloured wax and shoe polish and all the others didn't really do anything. So this is a new plan using heat gun. So gave back all the plastic bits a good old wash, a scrub, and rinsed it all off. This is just bit of a disclaimer, obviously, good. Yeah, it's like, don't come crying to me. The only problem I had, and I'd say don't do it, is the light clusters. I melted mine. You can't really see it. I don't know if they can start leaking water, but start going black with heat. But they've also, the plastic's not as thick as the bumper on the front, and the back, and the side bits. So it went a bit bumpy. But it's not wrecked it, but I wouldn't recommend doing those light clusters. So do the bottom corners and the bumper, the back, the front, the side trims, they all work fine. I did the mirrors, I did the door handles. That's my heat gun, just an old Black & Decker one. And, as you can see, it starts turning. It's not black, it wasn't originally black, it was grey, so it's only going back to that original colour. It's still a lighted grey really. So it doesn't look spectacular, but later on in the video you'll see how good it is at getting all this back to its original colour. So yeah, I would do it on a warm day, and also do it on a windy day, and I'd also wear a respirator or something vaporised, because you are basically leaving that plastic and you do get the so there you go, I kind of like playing around, doing it in a different motion. It depends what sort of heat gun you've got. Mine was a bit there's an extra line of cool it doesn't take too long to do it, and don't forget this is probably it might last 2 or 3 years doing this. I've yet to read any comments that anyone's left on other videos where people have tried this as to how long it'll last, but it's definitely better than using the products, waxes and stuff like that. So anyway, so that's a bit of it done on the right hand side of that trim, and then we go on and then I'll show you a bit more that I've done. Here we go. So looking at it, that's that panel completely done now. The small bit below the petrol or the diesel filler, that's not been done. So and the passenger door hasn't been done apart from that test patch there. So that's the next bits to do. So here we go, heat gun. So really, I'd say it was a good result. It's not the end of the video, but a particular good result. I think it's the front bumper. It's really brought it back to life, and again we'll see that later in the video. So this is like quite an old van, and there are no scratches on the plastic, so it's it's doing its best really. It's just melting and bringing that colour back. So there you go, the top quarter's done now. Just go along, you can see that it's changing colour as I have done heat gun. These bits of plastic are quite thick and robust. It's hard to melt them unless you just hold the heat gun in one place for a huge amount of time. So just keep the heat gun moving back and forth, up and down. If you want to protect your body panels and the paintwork, I had no problems, but use a baking tin or something like that just to protect the paintwork. So that's that piece done. So you can see the difference. We got the sliding door done, we've got that small bit now done, and then we're going to move on to the passenger door section. So that's it done. That's all the bits done. The passenger door, the small bit below the filler cap, and the sliding door. Quite a good result. Bit blotchy, you may think, but at the end we have a look at a video and also a picture of like the difference, and it's pretty good. The camera does pick up all the kind of like different sort of shades and that. It's not as bad as that when you look at it. I was really happy with the result. So then I thought, right, let's go on and look at the door handles, the mirrors, and the other bits. So we go those as well. I got some wax on these back in the summer, hasn't come off, but yeah, put the kind of heat up and you go and start seeing it changing colour. The bits that stay white and the bits with blacks in. So I just did a quick like work around just to bring some blackness back to it. So this is it. Quite a good result. Your band's been left out in the sun. This would have faded quite a bit, and this would be the biggest result you would get by doing this on the black handles. So there we go, another one. And then going on the back, I thought let's have a look at the bumper. So we started having a go on the bumper. This bit of plastic is really tired, so I kind of did my best with it. You can see the change that it makes there. That's fine to do, no problem with that. Again, a bit plastic, but above that light section, no, don't do it, avoid it, or be very careful. I'm going to have to have a look at mine and see if it's leaking water, so see if I've broken the seal. I think I'll show you in a bit the melt that I did on it. So there those bits. So there we go, on the left half of the bumper it's all done, and on the right it's still to do. You can also use rubber paint. I haven't heard of that, but I thought I'd give this a go. What I do, I'll also update the video if it does start fading again, or rapidly fading. There's the bumper, that's the biggest result, look at that. That was the dark grey, that had gone the most light grey, so again parked in the sun. Biggest result there, top right all done, bit level below not done. But look at the difference there, and that bit going down on the corner of the bumper. So yeah, makes quite a bit of difference, and you can see how it quickly turns that back to the darker grey. And there you go, that is the completed heat treatment, as it were. Mirrors, door handles, the bumper, amazing difference that makes. The side trims, the door mirrors, handles. So yeah, you get different results, give it a go, see what you think. Don't go melting the cluster like I did. Look at this, there, melted. So I'll have to see if that leaks or not, but yeah. If you're not sure and you don't want to wreck your van, don't do it. This is an old van, I didn't really care what happened to it, so I was a bit careful, but yeah, a couple of problems with those light clusters. So yeah, if you don't think you're not confident in doing it, I wouldn't touch it. That's the result I got. It's not really a how-to video, it's like how I did it, and and that's about it. That's the result I got. So hope you